Alright viewers, I'm tinkering with my little light up work stand project. I tinkered with the idea. I've got these leg systems that came off an old barbecue grill that was here. And I toyed with the idea of putting one on each end and running metal across the top to hold my work light. But I thought about it, and I don't need all that elaborate system. I'm just going to use one of them. I don't guess it matters which one. It's just recycling material that's already here. Why not just go inside here? In fact, I can go outside. I'll have to notch it right in here to fit over this lip, because I like the idea of the extra strength you get from that. And this piece that runs all the way across, I can tack weld it right to that sheet metal. That'll give me some strength too. Now all it's got to do is hold up this work light, and I can drill 2 holes in there and mount that light right there. That's what we're going to try. We'll see how it turns out. And it's adjustable, so you can, the light will be right here above it. I ought to be able to light up the project pretty well when I'm working on it. And it'll be up out of the way. I'm not likely to bump it. That's what I'm going to tinker with today. It's just something to be plundering with, really. Here's the wheels off that barbecue grill. Anybody need a plastic wheel and an axle? Just trying to repurpose some material I had here. As long as I succeed with my project is all that matters. Now I talked in my video about, a previous video, about putting something up here where if I lose something it won't go down in this crack. We put a piece of wood up there, but I still got a crack. And I've thought about the fact that when I work on this motor, oil's going to come out. So what I'm going to do, down there in my basement, I got some plastic, heavy duty sheet plastic. I'll put a piece in there and just fit it on in this area under the board. Any oil that gets in there will be caught by the plastic. But let's work on my project today. You said $1 for every time I've lifted this engine here lately. Ooh, I got a wool on my fingers already. It's dripping. We'll lay it just like that right there. Well, viewers, I got my light hooked up to my work table here. We'll come out here at night with the camera and see what it does. I got some 150 watt light bulbs. I'm going to clamp the light to get more light, but that work light might be just plenty. I'll go ahead and do my plastic while I'm thinking about it. I got a little bit done today. I notched this thing out and fit it flat up against the back of that sheet metal backing. But I'm going to put a couple of tack welds right there, over here and over here. I'm not going to weld it too good because I might need to take it back down sometime. Just a little tack weld, all I'm going to put on there. In fact, I should do that before I put the plastic on there. We don't want to burn it up. Let's stop right now and do our tack welding. Had the angle grinder going a while ago, cutting on this metal. Set my gloves on fire. Should have went down there and got a pair of welding gloves or leather gloves, but no more than I'm doing here. We'll get by. Okay. That'll be good enough. What the heck? It ain't going nowhere. Up here on a clamp where y'all be looking right inside that engine. Won't be on my head. Yes, sir, Bob. I believe y'all gonna be able to. I believe you're always going to be able to look right over my shoulder when we work on this engine. I'm gonna give it a whirl anyway.